Hi, 7th grade ELA. Happy Wednesday and Thursday. I just want to kind of refresh your memory about what we talked about for today's lesson. We're really focusing on vocabulary and our note taking on our Google Drive, or our Google Documents, my apologies. And really thinking about gathering information to help set your group up for success. And so just like what we talked about yesterday, make sure you include your name in your Google Doc, the date, the article and the source name. So what article or resource are you using on Padlet? Don't just put Padlet. And then think about your big takeaways. And then on Wednesday, I really want you to focus on 5 vocabulary words. If you want to do 2 and 3 words, that's totally fine. But I just want to make sure by the end of this week, I have at least 5 vocab words for each group member. So hint, the earlier you do this, the easier it might be for you. So that's just something to think about while you are working on when you want to do this. So one thing to note when I'm looking at different ways to document and show your thinking behind collecting the vocab words that stand out, think about the people that can be taking place, the terms, what happens. Think of it as like a chain reaction. So normally there is a pre and then there's a post. Or a reaction to a decision that was being made. So that's just something to think about. And there's different ways of showing this work, especially with vocabulary. If you want to just do bullet points and put the term and then the definition, you can do that. Or you can think about what you see and what, like a chain reaction. There is one on climate, which I know one of our groups is working on. And there's also another example on like racism. So the difference between segregation, discrimination, thinking about Jim Crow laws, racial barriers, nonviolent protests, and thinking about power. And so I really just want to give you guys some more time to collect some more information. Once we are done with winter break, we're really going to dive into our partnerships and really utilize that. But I figured at this time we can just try and get as much information as we can, start getting our mind going about what our topics are, and some key vocabulary. If you have any questions or concerns, be sure to come to office hours Wednesday and Thursday from 2:40 to 4, and on Friday from 11:30 a.m. to 12:50 because it's Friday Flex Day. Just make sure you're labeling and identifying your notes, and I hope you have a great day. Bye.